Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing Horton. From Dr. Seuss. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing one of the characters from Dr. Seuss. This is Horton, and I hope you like this lesson. Now let's start in the middle of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do is his eyes, and we're gonna do a curve that goes to the left, kind of like a letter C, and then we're gonna leave a space and we're gonna do another one that goes to the right. Okay, now we're gonna do a half a circle, or kind of like a half an oval shape, that is gonna go from the top and it's gonna go into the letter C. So one part of the letter C is out. Now let's repeat that in the other side. We're gonna go and round it here like this. Now in the inside, we're gonna do the eyes like a letter U, and it's gonna go like this. We're gonna go letter U, and it's really close to the inside of the circle, and here letter U. And now I'm gonna color a little bit inside this letter U, just a little bit inside, so that makes it look more like the eyes. Now on the top part, we're gonna put a couple eyelashes. I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do the same in the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And on the top, we're gonna do eyebrows. They go over the eyes and then it come down. And close here where the eye is, we're gonna do this a little thicker. Now let's repeat that again. We're gonna go up and down, and I wanna make this one a little thicker, the beginning of the line. Next, we're gonna do the trunk, and we're gonna do here 2 lines. We're gonna go underneath the first eye, and I'm gonna do a line that comes down. Now I'm gonna go kind of like underneath the other eye, and I'm gonna do a line that comes down. Now I'm gonna do from this line a curve that goes down, and it's gonna pass the second line and go up. You see, I pass it here, went up, and here at the end I'm gonna do 1 and 2 little curve lines, and now I'm gonna go down and up again to connect with my second line. Next, I'm gonna mark 3 lines. They are curvy. Here the first one, and these lines do not touch the sides. I'm gonna do another one, and we're gonna pass the marker twice just to make these lines a little thicker. Now we're gonna do the head of this elephant, and we're gonna start from where my lines went down first. You can even see here where they join, and we're gonna go up and round and going up again. And I'm gonna stop kind of like where the eyes have the eyelashes. We're gonna do the same on the other side, going up. Okay, and now I'm gonna do kind of like a curve. I'm gonna turn my paper a little, and I'm gonna go up here, and now come back down and connect with the other side. Here in the middle, it has a little bit of hair, so we're gonna go and do little triangles that go up, and there are different sizes, and they come back down. Now let's do the ears. So for the ears, I want to go kind of like the distance of the eyes, and I'm going to do kind of like a U shape here, and at the distance of the eyes I'm going to do the same thing, kind of like a U shape. Now we're going to go up really close to where the hair is, and I'm going to go up and down with a curve, and this curve goes kind of like to the left. Let's do the same on the other side. Close to the hair, I'm going up and curve, and now goes to the right. Now we're gonna extend this line to the left, and we're gonna do a curve. Now this one goes to the right, and it's gonna do a curve. And to finish this up, we're gonna do one more curve that is gonna connect down here. So this curve is gonna be longer. Inside, we're gonna mark the ears a little bit more by doing a line that goes up, curves, and connect with the end of the ear. Goes up, curves, and connect with the end of the ear. Now for the body, I'm gonna do a line here. I'm gonna leave about a finger space between the trunk and the line, and we're gonna go down, and I'm gonna curve. Now on this side, the trunk is kind of like on the way, so we're gonna overlap. We're gonna do the line, connects with the trunk, now goes down and curves. Okay. In between these two legs, we're gonna do kind of like a long letter U, and it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna go long letter U like this, and I pass these two lines. Now we're gonna join these two by doing a line. I wanna go out here a little, I'm gonna curve. I'm going to curve my line and connect with this one. The same here, I'm going out a little, curve line and connect right here. Now let's do the arms. So I'm gonna go down, curve. The same thing here, I'm going down and curve. And if the trunk is on the way, remember you can just pass in behind. Now let's do one more curve, little here, and then we connect with the body. Little curve and connect with the body. And to finish my picture, I'm gonna do a big smile. So I'm gonna do a curve that goes up, and from behind here, a curve that goes up. And now the end of the line, it looks almost like a backwards letter C, and it's gonna look like this. Curve and down. It's kind of like a letter S. Curve and down. And I'm passing the marker twice. And there, that's it. We finished this picture of Horton from Dr. Seuss. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my character turned out. There is a lot of blue in this character, but I think it still looks super cute. I add at the end a little bit of pink here for the clover that it's on her trunk. You can change the color blue. I think the character is blue in the books, but it's also gray into the movie. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.